Got the eye of the tiger happening now, folks. Gotta like that. Pro Trader Mike, Mojo Day Trading. It's Monday morning, May 1st, 9 a.m. I'm gonna take a look at the market right here. And a couple of settings I need to take a little fix on. You can see the Mojo live. Had to fix my camera. So I'm got the Mojo show going. I'm Pro Trader Mike. This is the Mojo Day Trading team in the chat room, everybody. Right here. And people are coming in slowly but surely into the live chat. Delta Jeep coming in. We got some new people in here. Good morning to all. You could listen to me live on the chat. When you come into the chat room, all you do is you click directly on this live chat and you'll connect where you can hear me speak. Real nice. We've already done some pre-market trading, guys. OCN. Let me show you the first one I put up here this morning. Watch this thing go from 250 right here, soaring 285. Going to make a move into Heinz $3. And UVXY, we got this one here too at 1392. And OCN just Heinz, first sell 304 right there, filled. Take a guess which one Mojo is in this list right here, folks. And then it's already traded 1 million shares. And then there's the next one at 309, hitting the high of the pre-market. And that's OCN, Aquin Financial. Right here, which is at 3 now, went to 309, which Mojo tick-tocked that high. Show you a couple other stocks that are looking real rosy and fine this morning. A couple of those on the radar. Check this out. And this is my first Mojo Day Trading shirt that I've ever had 5 years ago. See that? I wore it special. Starting out the new month like it's fresh and new. Isn't that nice? That's cool. I also have a new avatar. You see my avatar blinks. Mojo has a new newsletter, guys. Newsletter formation. Here's my newsletter. Check it out. Now this is a patented header going to be for the pre-chat room up top. You got the Mojo University courses right there. You have, and these click through to the, they better, yeah they do. They click through to the site. And then I have this, you watch this trade. Oh, why isn't it moving? What's going on? Kidding me? Not moving. Let me see my other one, better be moving. So I got this new moving top action. Where's my find another one. There it is. Anyway, it is supposed to be like this, which is my avatar. What's up, Mar? Everybody needs to get an avatar. Everybody in the room, because I cleaned up the servers, and if you didn't have an avatar, kind of got like. So check out this trade right here, guys. See this 891 by 899, Heinz 902, 913, 936, 949, 953, 969, 982, 10 bucks, all in the first hour of trading. Isn't that nice? See that? It's my new Abby. I know, it's a cool avatar, brother. Cool little Abby. So I'll show you what else is going on. Got that Aquin right there, which we're going to be trading. Already traded 2 million. Like, want to do a contest for the, I'll give you choices. It's going to trade 10 million, 20 million, 30 million, 40 million, 50 million. Let's go 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100 million plus. Let's see who gets the closest today on OCN volume. What's the news? Shareholder alert, losses in their investments, lawsuit. $73 million, that's my guess. 73 million. That's my guess. I like that one. Guys, be sure to get and subscribe to my YouTube down there, and then you'll get my videos when they come out. Really nice, you will. Mojo. So we have some other stocks. ASPS, which I also had up on the watch list this morning. And if you're not checking out the watch list, you need to check out the watch list. Show you the watch list right here. It's right on the MOJO Day Trading website, everybody. So have this bookmark that's going to come out at 9 a.m. every morning and also at 12. And if you look this morning, OCN was put up there right at 250, UV at 90, and ASPS at 23. ASPS is 2468. UVXY is the same price. OCN at 250 is $3. BLPH at 160 is 160, same price.
Do you want to learn the secrets traders are using to make money trading the stock market? A home-based
business with financial freedom. Just those trades, people could have gone and made money and they're off to work. Asking me for a pre-market trade. If there was none, you didn't do none, but today you did and you're off to work. I was thinking most people start their day at work at 9 a.m. Day traders, if you want, you can get up at 9 a.m. Best. I did a pick. A couple of good newsletters went out. Understanding ETFs. It's nice. Newsletter on trading ETFs just went out over the weekend. That was nice. That someone registered for the webinar. Nice. Another person registered for the webinar. Where is it? Can't find it. Oh, here it is. I'm surprised it's not blinking, man. This is supposed to be blinking, blinking, blinking in the thing like a Giphy Miffy. It sounds so weird. Alright. Anyway. Definitely bookmark this page, boys, the watch list. Right here. Definitely bookmark that page. Definitely register for my webinar. pick your date that best fits your schedule. May 10th and 11th, we're gonna have some really nice speakers and presenters besides myself telling you, anybody can get on and speak for 2 hours and tell you how great they are, great. But when other people come on and tell you how good they are, then it sounds a little bit more believable. Let's look at some of these stocks from Friday. Pran, okay. Oh, there's my FNCX from last week. 19,000. LABD's hurting a little bit. UV's down 30 cents, but Nuggets up. Nuggets split, it's 31.77. It's done a reverse split. So if you take that 32 and you divide it by 4, it's 8. That's where it's at. DGAS long. Entry right now, no one can trade against us. The dips, we get the dip and we're adding into 30. There's a signal at 29. Pre-market trade right there. Lower we wait to 2010, higher we nail the 30, the signal at 29. I like that. So that's the start of another good one. We have 2, UV and DGAS. Beautiful move on ASPS through Heinz 23 right there. Biggest bar of the morning, probably of the day. AMPE. See these stocks with the beaten up bottoms. The Trump pattern is really becoming predominant. Got some nice people coming into the room. Check out the free chat day so far. We have these observers coming in right here. So this is what the MOJO Day Trade room looks like right here, folks. And we have my bots, my MOJO bots that control the room. Kidding me? That's air horn. Air horn hasn't been working too hard. He needs to go again. That's air horn. I'll introduce you to them. Let's get air horn working the way he should. Here we go. There we go. There's air horn. Mr. Krabs right here. He's good for telling you what stocks are doing good. So if you want to know a stock like AMPI that's going by and you want to know the float, you can just go AMPI float like that. I guess there is none. There even is that the symbol, yeah. AMPE news. I don't know why that's not working. Maybe because I did have to wait 30 seconds. I flood the room. And then you have Patrick and Squidward. Patrick says good morning to everybody. Yeah, the room was getting flooded with them, that's why. Thank you, Gerardo. So we have Squidward. And it's fun, it's cool. Squidward actually does like some comics. You can do that one. There's a comic Squidward's making for the room between me, Pro Trader Gerardo, and Patrick. Seen a full morning. Good morning, everybody in the trading team. Heinz time. Let's have a profitable day, hit goals, and go into entertainment mode. And that is moi. Nice. There's me in my robe. Morning. And there's Gerardo with the bag on his head. Nice. So that was cool. So that's the room. Kim just came into the room as an observer. She's checking it out. So we have a lot of observers. Then above them we have the traders that are coming into the room. And then above them we have the pro traders. All that make a living day trading the stock market. All have been with me more than 12 months to 24 to 36 months. Alan up at top, coincidentally, is AL. That's why he's been with me for a long time, 5 years. That's 60 months. Got to keep an eye on the Pransky. Right here. They're buying it with a 10-cent spread as a signal. You don't buy 176 shares twice like that, guys. If you notice what's going on, they're talking right here in the level 2. Time and sales are significant. So ask yourself, why did they print 176 2 times? Why? Ask yourself that question, and then let's see what the puzzle piece is at the end of the day. Puzzle piece end of day, and see what it was. That's how you do it. There's no answer to it, but if they bring it to a number, let's say they bring it to 376, wouldn't that be unbelievable? If they brought, and that was what we knew, we could make 56 cents on a stock like that. Wouldn't that be insane? It would be insane, right? See, that would be insane, I'm telling you. I know.
Yeah, baby. Yeah. Well, yes.
That's it. So we'll see what it does. If it starts to get some mojo and some momo. Hey, Pro Trader Mar, you changed your thing. Nice. I cleaned up the server this weekend. Had 900 people on my server. So had to clean up the people that only have avatars, except Stu. He's been with me for 4 years. You don't know how to, he can't even get the speakers going sometimes, so I can't push him with the avatar. Tissa and Tracy are new, and everybody else are traders in the room. I have a screen share going, folks. So if you join this link right here, you can see my screen. And we'll start the trading in 9 minutes. And this video will go, because last time I did the show and I kept it live at the open on SSKN, everyone shorted it against us when I started the show. I ain't doing that again. GNMX, $1.67 by 68. Look at the pattern coming up out of a base. See the patterns? Let's look at them. BCEI, destroy. Look at this stock, 40 bucks from 75 cents. What's going on with that? RDUS, SG is a bottom baser. OCLR, bottom banger. APRI, bottom banger. ARIA, nothing. Arena, taking that off. Meep's looking meepish. Carex looking, I hate Carex. MICT looking MICT-ish. Gene looking gene-ish. Cancer Genetics looking like it's going to cure the next best thing. IDXG looking like IDXG. Alim's got some possibilities because I think it has a small float. Let's check it out. See if it works now. Float on a limb. A limb is a float of, I wish it had a comma, 27,328,000 shares on a limb. Let's see how that worked. That was pretty cool, right? You want to see we can do a 1-year chart on a limb. We got time. I'll show you how. Go to the Get Started page. This is if you want to become a member of Mojo U to join the live chat. type in this chart and the symbols and everything will come in. This is my yearly chart right here. So I copy this. I put it in here and I just change the symbol, ALIM. And I just press go. And it'll give me right here the yearly chart on ALIM, which is pretty nice. See how it's doing this little cup breakout right above this thing? It could make a move like it's done in the past right there. That's a pretty cool tool in the room. You know? Gonna have a good day today again, boys. So that's nice what's happening on the Elim. 9:24 a.m. Monday morning. The futures are indicated up 46. What does that mean? You know what that means? Anybody know what the futures means when it's indicated up 46? It's up 33 now. Does anybody know? It means absolutely nothing. It means absolutely nothing. It's being manipulated by Jim Cramer and the big boys. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. You ready? How come that's not going in there? Hold on a second. Here it is. Listen. Unless it's up more than 50, Jim's doing it. Listen.
What's happening when we're done selling and back in stages, there's 1/3 of the market usually bottoms first and another third. But I don't say that that's what happens when you start selling off. It's what happens when you catch up. Such as just really hate stuff. A CBOT, unless they get the game on stage, telling me, be careful, he needs to bottom first. Forget what will bottom first, but the financials and it's the tenure that's involved. The tenure. You can't do that.
On. That's the wrong one.
Welcome to Wall Street. Very interesting. We're up a little bit today.
This is it. Listen.
So you haven't called out come out and said the bottoms here.
No, and I like to think bottoms of stage. I've always found that they drop in stages and come back in stages. There's 1/3 of the market usually bottoms first and another third. But I don't say that's what happens when you start selling off. It's what happens when we're done selling off. And
9:26.
the bottom of the sell. I'm looking at the game of toleration, maybe. You know, what I like is about saying, you believe in your point personally, but leading the S&P, and I don't want to care to really open this again. And the pattern keeps happening. And the then occurs the stock sells off. So you have to say, you need this stop. That's a major mistake that professions never make.
And they missed the contract.
And make the company need this stop. That's a major mistake that professions never make.
What is that? Let's listen.
And the then occurs the stock sells off. So you have to say, okay, listen, last time I got you then, I'm going to be smarter than the average bear. And I'm going to sell it as it gets to me and then prepare to buy it. It is not a judgment focused on trading.
It's not the video. He talks about how he manipulates the futures in the morning. It says futures manipulated. Here it is.
People are focused on an S&P Apple. People are focused on an S&P Apple.
Yeah, I was saying people spread a little bit. They both Verizon and AT&T have decided they don't.
Dr. Duggan, is this just because it's the holiday period that we're seeing this?
You know, a lot of times when I was short at my hedge fund,
Listen.
I was positioned short, meaning I needed it down. I would create a level of activity beforehand that could drive the futures. It doesn't take much money. Similarly, if I were long and I would want to make things a little bit rosy, I would go in and take a bunch of stocks and make sure that they're higher, and maybe commit $5 million in capital to do it, and I could affect it. What you're seeing now is it probably is bigger market. Now maybe you need $10 million in capital and knock the stuff down, but it's a fun game and it's a lucrative game. You can move it up and then fade it. That's all often creates a very negative feel. So let's say you take a longer term view intraday, and you say, listen, I'm going to boost the
A longer term view intraday.
and then when the real sellers come in, real money comes in, they're going to knock it down. It's going to create a negative view. That's a strategy probably worth doing.
See, they all do it.
When you're valuing on a day-to-day basis, and I would encourage anyone who's in the hedge fund to do it because it's legal,
Right.
and it's a very quick way to make money and very satisfying.
Very quick and very easy. So they have $20 million of stock that they're going to make profit on, and they commit $5 million to it, and they make all that money. Isn't that unbelievable? They pump up the pre-market with $5 million to sell $20 million worth of stock. That's what they may be doing on Pran right here with 3,000 shares, or Gene with 10,000 shares. It's totally manipulated. All right, the market's opening, folks. Pro Trader Mike signing off. Mojo Day Trade Show. Peace. Keep it profitable. I'll see you later, hopefully in the day trade room. See ya.